guys, it's me again, Lily, and today you're watching Beauty and Food. Right now I'm in Ampang Point and we're actually at Hometown Yong Tau Fu. So, what is Yong Tau Fu? Yong Tau Fu is actually a Hakka cuisine, but what makes this place special is that it's halal, meaning there's no pork, it's Muslim friendly. So this place has been open for approximately 25 years and it's really famous. During peak hours, apparently you can't even get a seat here. So I'm gonna go check it out and then we're gonna do a review of the food here. So let's go. This is the Yong Tau Fu I was talking about. Over here we have the deep fried ones. Over here is the steamed, I suppose it's called steamed. And over here it's soup with, I'm assuming it's fish ball. So this is a lot, guys. I'm not too sure where to start. Let's start with the deep fried. Okay. Let's see. Alright, this thing here is actually called fujo. And what fujo is a deep fried bean curd outside, and inside they usually put in things like fish paste. This is a bean curd roll. Again, everything here is bean curd. This is something like wonton, but as I said, this is a halal restaurant, so they don't put pork in it. And this right here is gyoza guai. Again, all of this Yong Tau Fu is basically bean curds with ground meat or fish paste or some sort of meat inside. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the deep fried ones, and we'll go by slowly. Start with some fujo. It's hot. The skin is crispy. They're lenient with their meat. You see? Because usually a lot of Yong Tau Fu, they have a lot of bean curd and very little meat. But this is lenient. I like that. We have time for eating later, so let me try this one. Again, very crispy skin, a decent amount of meat inside. I'm not sure what the trick to this, but somehow I like this more. It's basically the same thing, but maybe it's called the circular, I'm not sure. It just tastes really nice. Okay. I've yet to touch the chili actually, so let's give it with some chili. If you guys realize, right, I can't really use the chopstick really well. The chili gives a nice kick to it. The chili is slightly on the watery side, but it's good. It's good. Okay, now is this one, chakwe, which basically means fried cake. Fried cake. Okay. Again, it's fish paste, but this time the skin is slightly different. For this, it's like fried bean curd, and you can see there's like holes on the skin itself. But this is more of a smoother texture, a little harder, not so much on crispy side. So you just pick what you like. Okay, next is the wonton. This is actually really big. It covers half of my face. You guys can tell. Everything here is really big. Alright. These is more assorted flavors of meat inside. I'm not too sure of what they put, but it's definitely more flavorful. It has a bit of a shrimpy taste as well. I'm assuming that they have shrimp paste instead of fish paste. I'm not too sure. But if you prefer a more flavorful one, this is the one to go. Alright. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. Since I'm having it alone anyways, I'll just eat off the plate. No point to be civilized. Alright, so I'm gonna start telling you what it is first so you know what I'm eating. Alright, the one that's kind of oval in shape and has like a green skin. This right here is bitter gourd with some sort of ground meat. And then we have right here lady's fingers with again some sort of ground meat. This purple thing is a brinjal. Is it a brinjal? It's an eggplant. Eggplant with fillings again. This is soft tofu. Alright. This is chili with filling. And this here is another kind of tofu. Alright? So start with the bitter gourd. I'm actually not a big fan of bitter gourd, but you never try, you never know. This is big. Again, guys, this is the size of my face. It's definitely bitter gourd. I'm still not a fan of bitter gourd. Oh, this is heavy. Guys, literally, the portion here is huge. You can cover my entire face with this. It's very peppery. It's good. It's more on the salty side. If you're really health conscious, don't like salty stuff, maybe this isn't for you, but for someone like me, it's perfect. And the fish ball. Soft, chewy. Where's that fish ball? Overall, everything is really big. It's really big and good quality. They're really lenient with their meat. Like I said, the pieces of meat is full. Everything is filled with meat. The only thing that's a bit more harder is that it's a bit more saltier, but that's subjective. Maybe it's saltier for me, maybe it's not for you. So you gotta come here to check it out yourself to know. But overall, it's a really good place. I really like the food. You guys should come here. Until next time, you're watching Beauty and Food.